Okay, this is a document that we are working on. That it has a specific properties like this. Okay, but we have another document called Artboard. The Artboard has lots of benefits. For creating Artboard, you can go to the file and new. This is an welcome window of the Affinity. You can choose size from here, and to create artwork with that, you can turn on the Artboard here and create it. Now this is an artboard. The first benefit of artboard is this: you can resize it to any size that you want. Nice, you can see you can change the width and height any time that you want. This is first benefit. Another thing of that, you can have in this canvas, you can have a lot of the artboard at the side of them. So for creating artboard, you can go here, just select it. You can add artboard, but with this click on these parts, you can see it's another artboard we will create, and you can work on this, create your design, create a design. And if you want to export, for example, you have a design with a different color, with a different shape, you can do that. You can see you can work on them. You can click and drag to create any shape of artwork that you want. Nice. This is an area that you want work. If you then you can see you can click and drag and move it at any part that you want. So it's very useful that you want to create different work with different shape. So you have one document that inside of one document has lots of artwork. You can see. Okay, for example, we begin this artwork. You have to you can see it's automatically selected. If you go in here, it automatically you have to select that. For example, we design some things on that. You can see automatically as in a layer. Go to the artboard number 1. I will show you more about layers. Then select this artboard again. You have to select that to activate it, and then create another thing in this. You can see it's go to the artboard number 2 or artboard number 3. It's grouped in there. So you have a different workflow in situation. Okay, that's it. It's artwork. It's like a document, but you can add a lot of things in that. For example, you have one for example, you can one shape here. You can holding alt and drag them to copy, holding alt to another artboard. And from the here you can change, for example, the color of them. So you can change your color to the artboard, another artboard. And after that, in the export, you can select your artboard to export things on. So it's the artboard actually there's more room for work. It's very simple. It's just area for working that you can change the shape of that and change the size with the width and height here. Okay, select it and done.